Hello. Hello. We are. Welcome back. Welcome to our series about accounting, bookkeeper versus accountant. What's the difference? Outsourcing or insourcing? Should we do it ourselves or let someone else take care of it for us today? Those are some of the things we'll be talking about in our series about accounting. All right, so hello. I am Consuela Hopkins, your good money multiplier, and I help real estate professionals and investors increase revenue, to lower and decrease their tax liability, and acquire financing, which is a game changer through accounting, tax strategies, business strategies, and financial coaching. And just know and believe that I have a desire to see you grow. I want to help you. I want to help your business to be successful. The more successful businesses we have out here, the more happy people we have, the more people are at peace, right? If you do it and do it right. And I have that formula. So I'm here because I want to make sure every Friday, 3 p.m., we will be live with tips and strategies to help you grow your real estate investment portfolio. As a business CEO, we help you as well to grow. And what we're going to be doing is talking about everything from tax and accounting strategies, right, to real estate investment strategies, and just truly how to run your business, which I call the business of the business, and how to live like a CEO. You want to make sure that you're operating in the C-suite, right? Because that's when you have a true business, and you're just not a technician just letting the business run you, right? We want to make sure that you are running the business. All right, so let's get in it today. So what I want to say too is, if you are watching us live, please take a moment. Take a moment to let me know that you're here. Tell me your name. Where are you from? I would love to know that, right? It helps us to stay engaged. Taxes are different no matter where you are in the country. And we literally have clients all over the globe. And so it just helps us to know like who to direct our conversations to. If you may have any questions. If you have any questions or comments, don't be scared. One of my business coaches would say, don't be a looky-loo, right? Engage in the conversation. I would love to have you be a part of the conversation here. Okay? So, whether you're catching a replay or live, let me know who you are and where you're from. You have any questions, please feel free just to go ahead and drop them in the comments as well. And my team and I, we will respond to them, right? It may even be a topic on our next live. Who knows, right? We'll make it happen. We'll definitely make it happen. So, thank you again for all of that. Now, here's a question that comes up a lot. Since we've been doing these lives, right? And I've been in business 30 years now as a financial advisor, right? As a business employee. It's Friday, you guys. And I've been traveling. I just got off the plane and got situated to sit here and make sure I'm online with you today at 3 p.m. So, but one of the things that comes up a lot and we've been getting asked questions about is my accounting, my bookkeeping. How does this work? Will we be able to do it ourselves, right? So if you're using QuickBooks, is it easy, right? Is it hard? How do we do training? We can help you with all of that. Our firm, we truly are a full service accounting firm. So we can help. We train as well as we do the work ourselves. And I want to just say hello to some of those who are joining. Please come on in. Hello, Yolanda from California. Thank you. Thank you. I love these Friday conversations as well. I appreciate you joining in. Hello. Again, wherever you're from, let me know that you're here. I appreciate you. All right. So then we're also going to... So one of the questions we've been talking about is outsourcing or insourcing. What's the difference, right? Of course, there's a cost to it. But behind that cost, what's the true value? And I really wanted to point out some of the values of having to outsource your accounting to a firm. Now, there's a lot. There's tons of benefits, all right? Pros and cons on both sides, but the pros definitely outweighs the cons when you're looking at this. So I'm going to just talk about 4 today. We're going to keep it simple. But again, if you want to talk further about that, literally simply go to scheduleconsuelas.com and let's schedule a 15-minute chat. That's all it would take for us to really sit down and get some information. If you want to even go further than that, we also can do a consultation. And there are options there also on my schedule. So just make sure you go to scheduleconsuelos.com and we can talk a little bit more about it. But for today, one of the benefits of outsourcing your accounting is access to financial and accounting experts. Simple. You will now have access to financial experts. Outsourcing firms employ highly trained, most of them do, accountants and financial experts. You may not be able to hire a bookkeeper or accountant or controller or CFO, but outsourcing accounting and financial services allows you and your business to receive these services as needed. Think about that. Because in tick 2 is one of the benefits that I want to talk about really plays into that. Think about the cost savings that you will have, right? Another significant benefit of outsourcing your accounting is simply cost savings. When it comes to employees, and if you've been running your business long enough and your operation is big enough, you know that is one of the highest cost expense you will have in your company is your expenses. Is employees. One of the highest ones. You must consider the cost of hiring. Some of the things includes when you hire an accountant is salary, benefit, taxes, unemployment. Because labor costs, again, are one of the highest expenses, business owners are looking for ways. I talk to them every day. There's so many of you out there looking for ways to be able to cut down on your expenses. Everyone does if you're in business. You want to make sure you're always minimizing your expenses, no matter how big you are, how small you are. If you're making a profit, you still want to make sure you're running a very efficient engine, right? Your business want to be able to run efficient as possible. And one of those things you want to consider is always employees. And so is it more beneficial for you to outsource versus to hire someone, right? Now, benefit number 3 is avoiding turnover and time off issues. Outsourcing your accounting process allows you to avoid turnover issues, staff time off. When you are a small organization, and most people are, right? There's a lot of entrepreneurs now that are, just starting up. And so one of those things, do I have, the space? Do you even have the SOPs in place to even have an accountant in your business, right? That's something totally else, something totally different. But even outsourcing, right? Turnover issues. You hire someone, right? Well, they need to have time off. When you're a small organization, each team member is vital to the company's success. You know that. When a team member is sick or on vacation or worst case scenario, they leave. It causes stress and anxiety on the remaining employees, on your team members, right? On the entire staff. So when outsourcing your accounting and finance to an external company, then that will open up, right, areas for you then not to have to be stressed about that, right? Hello, Miss Martin. Thank you so much for joining us and watching. Hello, Reagan. I appreciate seeing you here. Hello, ladies. Let me know where you're from. All right, so that's benefit 3, is avoiding turnovers and time off in your company. When you're looking at starting a business and you know that you need an accountant, we've established that, right? So any business worth their salt, to really understand your money, to understand how you're going to grow your business, to know where you are. Are you making money? Are you at a loss? Right? What is your cash flow like? We talk about your cash flow statements. If not, go back and look at those videos. If you missed it, that was part of our series. We talked about your balance statement, how it really sets your balance sheet statement and how it really shows the value of your business. You need to have these things in order to be able to know how to do that. And that's what your bookkeeper and or accountant can help you with. Our firm also offers CFO services, which is even a higher level service of really fine tuning your business and getting it where it needs to be. And so again, it's $75,000 something you want to bring somebody on. Or is it going to be easier and more cost efficient for you just to outsource? And, you'd be surprised. I think outsourcing will really help for most businesses. So then the 4th benefit we're going to talk about today is really just achieving time savings in your business. right? Business owners, all of us, can save time by outsourcing your accounting and your financial functions. Period. Right? That's that good money, good money, good money. Really, you're going to be saving money. Who doesn't want to save money? Because it's going to be saving you time. If this is not your zone of genius, if looking at numbers and recording them and analyzing the figures is not what you do in your sleep and you do it well, this is not something that you should be doing. Do what you do and do what you do best. That's how your business is going to grow. But again, you do need an accountant on your team. And I'm here to say that this is what we do and how important it is to make sure that you have an accountant, right? So many of us focus on companies' marketing, our sales, operations, right? What's your systems? The outsourcing of an accountant can free up time so that you don't have to manage the accounting task. Outsourcing leads to higher resources among you as an owner and as the other party's company, right? So now you have what we call like a lateral partner. Now you have someone that you're working with. Outsourcing leads to higher resources. Right? It helps you to professionally meet your goal. Should you save time and money? It just really just helps you to focus on other things. Let's just be clear about that. The things that you need to be doing to run your business. So, should you consider outsourcing your accounting? I would simply say yes. You should definitely be considering outsourcing your accounting. So, we can help with both your bookkeeping. We talked about the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. If you need to look at those videos, please feel free to go back and check us out. All my channels, whether it's Facebook, IG, or YouTube, is Consuela D. Hopkins. And go and look at those. But we can help you with both your bookkeeping and your accounting and your CFO services. So set yourself up for success. Schedule your CEO appointment now, strategy session. Again, it's scheduleconsuelas.com. And we'll make sure that we put that in the comments for you, so it'll be easy for you to go back and just schedule your appointment. So, and then also sign up for your weekly newsletters. I know Miss Yolanda and so many I'm seeing here right now live. Hello, everyone. The Big Hawk. Hello. Hello again, Reagan. Hello, Nene Jackson. Good to see you, Mr. Pasley. Everyone, I appreciate you joining us. Please, if you have any questions at all, because I know a lot of you I'm seeing here are real estate investors. It's important, that again, that your bookkeeping is on point. But not just that, I was also talking about setting up for our weekly newsletters, right? Just simply go to mygoodmoneytips.com, right? Then there you'll get additional tips and strategies sent directly to you. So here, that is it for today. That is the 4 basic tips and the benefits, I should say, of outsourcing. Again, 1, access to finance and accounting experts. 2, cost savings in your business. 3, avoid turnover and time off issues with employees. Trust me, I got a team of 12. I know what that's like. But benefit 4, achieve time savings for your business. Do what you do. Stay in your zone of genius, right? And then also 5, schedule a strategy call. You want to make sure you schedule a strategy call at scheduleconsuelas.com. Sign up for our Good Money Tips at mygoodmoneytips.com. All right, so this is 1 week before Memorial Day. So next week is Memorial Day weekend. And I'll be spending time with my family. And I want you to do the same. So next time I'll see you will be the month of June already, you guys. So we're literally headed into completing the second quarter. Where you at with your finances? Are your books in order? Are you confident in knowing that your business is growing? Right? Let's put some things in order. Let us help you do that. So take some time off. We're talking all things real estate investments in the month of June. So until June 3rd, have a safe and blessed Memorial Day. I'll see you June 3rd at 3 p.m. EST. And as always, good money, good money, good money. You guys be blessed.